I prompted AI to create music for my YouTube channel. If you'd like to learn how to create a YouTube channel with AI, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to look at two AI generative platforms, Suno and Udio. Before we jump in, here are 3 reasons why you may want to consider AI generated music. The first is it's cost effective and time effective. Instead of hiring a musician or purchasing expensive music licenses, you can create personalized music, in many cases just for free, like we'll do today. And number 2, customization and personalization. As a creator, you have control over the personalization, like tempo, you have control over the mood, genre, and you can create music that matches the personality of your content and your videos. And 3, you can avoid those copyright issues. So using AI to create music ensures that the music is unique and original and can help you avoid those copyright strikes. Okay, now that we know some of the benefits of generating AI music, let's get started. So we're going to jump on over into Suno, and you'll want to go ahead and sign up for a free account. Once you've done that, you'll head on over to the Create tab, and it is really important that you click the instrumental toggle. We don't want lyrics for our use case. Since I want to be able to talk over top of the music, we want this to be in the background. You can enter in a prompt here. I've entered create a calm and soothing jazz track for background music. It should be gentle and unobtrusive, perfect for speaking over and YouTube videos. You're going to want to go ahead and hit create. All right, Suno has generated 2 tracks for us to look at. Whispering Jazz, let's give it a listen. It's not really the vibe I was going for. Let's try the second one. So it got the calmness right, but in this case, it did not get the jazz aspect right. I had done some previous tests before that were a little bit closer, say this one. So that's definitely much more in the jazz genre, but it seems like with Suno it can be a bit hit or miss. Let's come on over to Udio. We're going to use the exact same prompt. I also have a free account here as well. We're going to enter in that same prompt. We're going to make sure that we've got it set to instrumental and hit create. All right, and there we have it. Suno has generated 2 tracks for us to listen to. Let's listen to Whispering Breeze first. It just sounds so much more rich and layered and sounds much more like real instruments than Suno. Let's see how the second track sounds. Nice. I love the mood of that. It's great sounding jazz. The trumpet gets a little loud for background music, so this might not exactly be the right track. Whispering Breeze, this first one was pretty good. Let me go to my library and pull up a track that I generated as a test, which I absolutely loved. And take a listen to this. I absolutely love that track by Udio. It's upbeat, it's jazzy, so jazzy. I think it works well in the background. So overall, I think we were able to create a track that I can use for the background music of my YouTube videos. So in conclusion, in this early test, I would say Udio is the clear winner when it comes to creating instrumental music. absolutely want to keep prompting and testing these. These are both free accounts. There's a lot more customizations that you can make to get exactly what you're looking for. And you also have the ability to create songs with lyrics, which is a totally different dimension. If you'd like to learn more about creating AI-generated music with lyrics, or you'd like to go deeper into all the customization options that either one of these platforms offer, let me know in the comments. If there's anything else you'd like to know about AI and how to integrate it into your personal and professional lives, let me know in the comments too. I would love to make a video for you. If you are interested in any of those topics, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you soon in the next one.